What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Bentley GT3-R. Very special car. They only made 99 of them, and this is number 65. So let's take a look and see exactly what we got. Beautiful black on black, lots of carbon and front end damage. Kind of got the lower section of the front end. So unfortunately, the left side fender is ripped. Front bumper is damaged, air ducts are damaged, carbon fiber lip, this is original, is damaged as well. Looks very expensive, and bunch of plastic pieces. And unfortunately, with the right side fender, it's ripped up here as well, and then it has a big buckle right here. So right now we're gonna pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, assess the damage, start ordering all the new parts, and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now let's get to work.
Hey guys, Ben here. Just another reminder and words of wisdom from Ben. So this customer thought he was up against, $5,000–6,000 worth of damages, but it turns out there's $65,000 worth of damages. And let me tell you why. This is a very limited edition Bentley. As you can see, it's the GT-R 65 of 99 made in the USA. So it looks like a very, straightforward $5–10,000 repair ticket, but in order to make things perfectly, everything has to be replaced back to factory spec, and parts alone are over $40,000 in this case. So please be careful out there, always drive with full coverage insurance, and never settle. Everything looks repairable here, but this is an aluminum fender, so automatically has to be replaced. In order to get the lines and all the gaps to line up perfectly again, it needs to be replaced. And same with all these carbon pieces, they're all factory from the dealership from Bentley, and Bentley wants an arm and a leg for them. There's no aftermarket options available, there's nothing available. You got to get it from the dealer. And there you have it. Another boo-boo turned into, over $60,000 of liability for somebody.
There you guys go. Make sure you guys always have insurance. Don't settle on the parking lot. Might look like a small damage, but it could be a lot more. And always pick a body shop that works for you, not for insurance company. For example, like the last video I did on a Ferrari, you guys were saying a lot of parts are fixable. At the end of the day, everything is fixable. But when you have such an expensive car, you don't want somebody just slapping a bunch of body filler and banging everything out. When you're using your insurance, you're paying a lot of money for it. The car gotta get done the proper way. For example, everything is aluminum on here. We like to replace. Obviously, we could fix it. Everything is fixable, but the quality not gonna be there. So that's why when it goes through insurance approves everything, we replace instead of fixing, So there you guys go. So now let's take everything apart, assess the damage, order all the new parts, and get this going. Look at this carbon ceramic brakes, rotors. Wow, look at this caliper, how huge it is. Okay, let's continue removing the fender liners because we're gonna have to get to the fenders, and then we'll remove the front bumper. Just took everything apart. Pretty much up here, just gotta get a bunch of plastic pieces and that's it. And then we'll start painting and installing back everything on the car. So we just finally got all the parts for the Bentley so we could start working on it. So we got brand new 2 fenders, front bumper, grille, and then for the final radiator. Unfortunately, our radiator is leaking a little bit. So we got a new radiator and all that good stuff. Because the impact is so weird that it kind of like hit the bottom. As you can see, this whole plate is like twisted. So yeah, there's a little leak coming out, see right here. So yeah, we're not gonna risk it and replace the whole assembly. So yeah, let's do this. So first things first, we're gonna drain the coolant. Just remove the whole assembly, everything comes off as one piece. And here's the old, so we're gonna replace this piece. The fan shroud is cracked. Same thing, the radiator has some sketchy, leaky. So we're gonna replace it to be on the safe side and start putting everything back together. That's it, just put the new radiator. Now we could start reinstalling back on the support and then back on the car. Okay, just put everything together, the whole assembly. So now we're ready to start reinstalling everything back in the car. Man, this is a heavy piece. It looks very expensive as well. So now just gonna put it back on the frame rails, secure everything, and then we'll start pouring cooling and bleeding and all that fun stuff. Okay, now we're gonna put this here. Check, make sure we don't have any leaks anywhere. Gonna let it sit like this for 10 minutes. If the pressure stays, that means we're good and we could start pouring the coolant. Okay, 10 minutes went by, the pressure is still up there, so that means we have no leaks. Now we could start pouring the coolant. That's it, finished bleeding the system, so now we could start the car and it's good to go. Everything seems to be okay. Okay, I'm gonna let the car warm up and we'll see what happens. See the temperature. Should be fine. I did everything proper way. But yeah, we're good to go. Okay, everything is done. Bled the system. The car's not overheating. So now we could start putting the rest of the car back together. Andre already painted the fenders, bumper, and the grille somewhere. So now we could start reinstalling the headlights. And then for the final defenders. Almost finished, almost finished. Just installed the headlights. Next, we could start installing the fender. We'll start with the passenger first, and then the drivers. Just put the Bentley completely together. Looks amazing. Looks like nothing ever happened. My job is done. Next, we're gonna pull the car out and get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. Let's go. Bentley is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, like nothing happened. We're officially done with this build. Customer is on his way to come pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!